Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to view input usage reports in Harvest Profit. By going to my inputs page, we have two pages with input totals reports. The first one is input totals by product. I can see the amount that I've used on my farm and the total cost for those products. I can also filter by type of input, by fields, by crops, by entities and landlords. I can also view a report without the cost and export it to a PDF or Excel, as well as the cost per acre across my farm. Additionally, we have an input totals by field report where I can see the entire list of all my fields and a breakdown of the seed, chemical, and fertilizer that I've applied on each field. I can also export these into reports to a PDF or an Excel. If you have any questions on this, please contact support@harvestprofit.com or click on the help button down in the bottom right-hand corner and click the Ask tab, and then send us an email directly from there. Thanks.